In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your League of Legends match history. If you've ever finished a game and wondered what actually happened beneath the surface, your match history has everything you need. We're going to keep it simple and focus on the parts that matter most, the Stats tab and the Graphs tab inside each match. Start by opening your match history and click on a specific game you want to review. Once you're in that match page, you'll see several tabs. The two we care about are Stats and Graphs. Think of Stats as the detailed numbers behind the game, and Graphs as a visual snapshot that makes comparisons easier to see at a glance. On the Stats tab, you'll find raw numbers for every player in that match. This includes things like total damage dealt, damage taken, gold earned, creep score, kill participation, vision score, and more. Use these numbers to understand your contribution in context. For example, if you played a damage dealer, compare your total damage in gold to others in similar roles. If you played support, look at vision score, assists, and damage mitigated to gauge your impact. When a number stands out, either very high or very low, that's a clue about what went especially well or what held you back. As you explore these numbers, think in terms of patterns, not just single moments. Consistent CS and gold usually point to strong laning. High vision and objective participation suggest good map impact. And if you see a high death count paired with low damage, that might signal positioning issues or risky fights. None of these numbers judge you. They highlight where to focus your practice. Now, switch to the Graphs tab. This view puts the data into line charts and bars, helping you quickly compare trends between teams. Look at gold over time to see when momentum shifted. Damage graphs show which champions carried the load. Vision and objective graphs reveal control over the map. The power of the Graphs tab is clarity. If a game felt even, but the gold graph shows a sharp swing at 15 minutes, you can pinpoint when the tide turned and think about what led to it. Finally, take a minute to connect what you see in stats with what the graphs show. If your damage was solid, but your team fell behind in gold early, focus on farming and wave management next time. If vision was low across the board, prioritize more wards and clears. That's it. Click a match, review stats for the details, check graphs for the big picture, and use both to guide your improvement.